let's go ahead and combine this, okay? With combining like terms. So let's say we have 7x squared plus actually, hold on. All right, give that a try.
I'm ready. I just got an answer too.
Okay, perfect. We're all good to go?
Yeah.
All right. So this one is 3x times 2x. We always want to start with wherever the parentheses is. 3 times 2 is 6, x times x, x squared. And then 7x squared plus 6x squared, because we bring down this, right? 7 plus 6, 13. So 13x squared. All right. How did we do with this?
I'm good.
Okay, excellent. So now let's talk about, we're going to level this up again one more time. Let's talk about raising things to exponents. Okay. Now, when we have something like 2x raised to the third power, what we're doing here is that we raise the number to the third power, but with the exponent, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply it. So this becomes 2 to the third power, which is just 8, because it's 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8. Okay? And then this is a 1. We do 1 times 3, 3. So I'll show you another example. If we have x to the 4th raised to the 5th power, 4 times 5 is 20. That's what that means. Okay? Any questions on that one?
No, I have a quick question.
Okay.
The algebra basics in the module, I forgot what module it was, but I for some reason they don't have this, like, these types of questions in them.
Okay. Like in the, what do you mean?
Like, it doesn't have like the ones that you're going over right now. Like, it doesn't, like, it has like the division and the FOIL, and it has like combining like terms, but it doesn't have like where you have to multiply 1 times 3 and like 2 times 2 times 2. Like, it doesn't have like these types of questions, if you know what I mean. Like, it
In
doesn't
the
have,
quiz?
yeah, like just like, yeah, in the regular quiz, like it doesn't have like these.
Okay. All right. I'll look into it. But what is is that your question? Like, just
No, because like that's the only reason why, like, with this one, like I get it, like with this I get it. It's just that they don't have the questions like this. So like sometimes I tend to forget to multiply like 1 times 3, like basically what you just did.
right, but like, no, because you said you had a question. So I don't know.
Well, it wasn't like a question. It was just like I was just basically asking, like basically telling you that like it doesn't really have these types of questions, like not this specific one.
Okay, so you want to, okay.
Yeah, that's just all I want to
So
say. Like,
let me, okay, no problem. Well, let's practice some of it then, yeah? So here, I'm gonna put this here for you guys. Here's one. Oh wait, before I give you practice, I'm sorry, there was one more thing I wanted to like show you guys. Okay, so here we're raising this, whatever is inside the parentheses, to the fourth power, and then we're multiplying it to 3x, okay? So remember, we always start with the parentheses. X squared to the fourth power is x to the 8th. So 3x times, or let's keep it in the parentheses, x to the 8th. Now that we've done that, we multiply. 3, there's nothing to multiply to except for 1, so it's just 3. And then remember, when we multiply, we add the exponents. So 1 plus 8 is 9.
Oh, I see.
I don't get it.
Say it again.
I didn't get that.
Oh,
I don't
okay,
get
sure.
how you, I don't get it. That's you got the, oh wait, no, I got it. Sorry.
nah,
It's okay.
Atlanta, it's late. I have 4 children, so yeah.
That's okay. So one more time. We get x to the 8th because we're raising this to the power. So we multiply the exponents.
Yeah.
And then here we're multiplying, which means we add the exponents. So it's
Yeah.
hard because it's like you have to switch from one to the other in the same
Right.
problem. And that's what makes it challenging. Okay.
All right.
Any questions?
Can we do another one?
Of course.
Thank
All
you.
right. Of course, I'll do one more example. So 2x times x to the 5th to the 3rd power. So where do we start?
the
By
exponents.
the,
With the parentheses, right?
Yeah.
yeah.
We're raising a power, so we're multiplying the exponents. This becomes x to the 15.
Right.
And we're multiplying to 2x. Now that we've done that, because we're multiplying, we switch over to adding the exponents. 2 times 1 is 2. And x, 1 plus 15 is 16.
16, yeah. I didn't listen to one. Okay.
Okay. All right. Let's try a little bit of practice here. Let's start simple. And then we can level up here. Okay, give that a go.
Okay.
All right, does anybody need more time?
I just got an answer for both of them.
Okay, perfect. So first one, we are squaring everything inside the parentheses. So 2 squared is 4. X squared is x to the 4th. And then we have this one where we start off with the parentheses. First of all, 2 cubed is 8. And then 2 times 3 is x to the 6th. And now we're going to multiply that by 3x. 3 times 8, 24. And then 1 plus 6, x to the 7th. Okay. How did we do with this?
I got the first one. Well, I get it. It's just that the bottom one, I know how to do it. It's just that I don't normally practice the bottom one as much. So I want to do another question like that.
Okay.
I have a quick question. For the first one, you also raised the just the number 2 to the second 2. That's how you got 4.
So wait, say it again.
So you raise everything that's in the parentheses to the second power, even the number 2.
Yes. So
Oh, okay.
this means 2 times 2 times 2 times x squared times x squared times x squared. Each one of them is 3 times. That's what that means.
Yeah, I was talking about the first one because that's where I messed up. I didn't raise
Oh.
the 2 to the second power. I just
Yeah, I
dropped
didn't
the
either.
2 and I put 2x to the 4th power.
Gotcha. Okay, yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah, but
a
I
good,
get it.
okay, good. But a good rule of thumb is whatever is inside the parentheses gets raised to that power. So if it was in the outside like this, then you would have been good because the 2 doesn't get squared. But because it's inside, you have to square it also. Okay. I'm glad you
Yeah.
pointed that out, Brian, because that's a common mistake. Very, very.
Yeah, I get it though.
Nows makes sense, yeah, but I didn't do this. I did the same mistake.
Okay. All right. Let's try another one. Okay, give that a go.
I'm ready.
Okay. Does anybody need more time?
I'm ready too.
All right, let's do it. So 5 squared here is 25. And x to the 9th squared is x to the 18th.
Mhm.
Okay, how do we do that one?
I got it.
Yeah? All right,
Yeah, me
perfect.
too. I got that one.
Perfect. So now with this one, we start off with the parentheses. The
Mhm.
2 squared is 4. Let me write here 4x squared times. Okay, 2 squared is 4. X to the 5th squared is x to the 10th. 4 times 4, 16.
16.
And then 2 plus 10, x to the 12th.
Mhm.
Okay, how did we do with this one?
I got that one too.
Okay, good. You know what? We have time for one more set, just for posterity. Okay, give that one a go.
I'm ready.
Okay. Let's review it. So with this first one, we're going to handle what's inside the parentheses first. So 2x to the fifth times 3 squared is 9, x to the second power is x squared. We multiply them together. 2 times 9 is 18. 5 plus 2, x to the seventh. With the second one, we bring down the x squared y times x to the fourth, and y to the third to the fourth is y to the 12th. 6 times 1 is 6, x, 2 plus 4 is 6, y, 1 plus 12 is 13.
13.
So those are our two answers.
I tripped.
I got it, but I was like close. The only thing I messed up on was I had 18x, but I had 18x to the 6. I didn't drop the 2 with the 9x. I just had 9x, and then the bottom one I had 6x to the third, and then y to 13. So it's like I was lost.
Okay. Okay, that's okay. So let me see something.
I have a
Like-
question to that too.
Okay.
I totally don't understand at this moment how you get the 9x out. By the first one.
3 squared. 3 squared is 3 times 3.
Oh, yeah, okay. All right.
Okay. All right.
Mhm.
No. Okay. I'm glad you asked. All right. Let me see if I can get you guys a little bit of practice on this.
And then by the other one, by the second one, I have exactly the first part, like the 6x2y times x4y12. But then I don't know, I stopped, I guess, because yeah, I don't have the result out of this.
Yeah,
Okay.
these are the only. This one is the only. These questions are the only ones that I know it, but have some struggles. Like this is the only one.
Okay. No worries. So I found you guys a worksheet to practice with. I'm sending it in the chat to everyone right now. So make sure you look in the chat and you click on it so you can download it. It's a PDF.
Mhm.
The second page is dividing. Do not do the dividing because we haven't learned that. Do only the first page. It does have an answer key so you can check your answers to see how you did. Okay. All right, so you guys did a great job today. I guess I'll see you all tomorrow, right? For our last class of the week.
Mhm.
So have a great rest of your night, okay?
All
You
right.
too,
Same,
thank you so
same for
much.
you.
All right, good night, bye.
Bye.